Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over my teaching tool, Visual Aids. I'll be using it to teach a lesson over the transfer of energy. Sorry, my computer is really slow. Okay. The standard I chose was 4LS2, Ecosystems, Interactions, Energy, and Dynamics. Develop models of terrestrial and aquatic food chains to describe the movement of energy among producers, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and decomposers. What teaching tool am I creating? I am creating a visual aid for the students. This project will allow the students to get a hands-on experience in putting the transfer of energy food chain in order. The materials needed. You'll need a poster board, any color will work, markers or colored pencils, Velcro, and if you don't have Velcro, tape will work too, but in order for this project to be fully successful, it would probably be easier if you had Velcro so the students can take the pictures on and off and print out pictures of different animals from the food chain. So the material examples would be the Velcro, the colored pencils, the poster boards, and I found this really cute picture of different plants and animals and parts of the food chain that all kind of coming together. So what the results should look like. So this was the best thing I found for what I had in my mind of what the project would look like. You would get your students to use your markers and you'll draw the rays of the sun coming down, and then with the Velcro you'll stick the Velcro on the poster board and you will have them put the food chain in order for the transfer of energy. So you'll have them, the goal was to get them to put the producer first and then the primary consumer and the secondary consumer and then the tertiary consumer and then the decomposer in order. Who uses this tool? Any teacher can use this tool. It will work for any grade. In this circumstance, it will be used for a 4th grade science class because that's the class I set in on for my student service learning. And cognitive thought. The visual aid helps the mind to stay engaged while processing the information easier. That's the thought I chose while making this teaching tool. Thank you.